In this lesson, you'll learn how one idea can grow from a short sentence to a fluent expression. I need some water.
I need some water.
I need some cold water to drink.
I need some cold water to drink.
I meet a friend.
I meet a friend.
I meet a friend after work.
I meet a friend after work.
I greet people.
I greet people.
I greet people with a smile.
I greet people with a smile.
I shake hands.
I shake hands.
I shake hands with my teacher.
I shake hands with my teacher.
I ask for help.
I ask for help.
I ask for help when I need it.
I ask for help when I need it.
I give help.
I give help.
I give help to my friend.
I give help to my friend.
I share food.
I share food.
I share food with my family.
I share food with my family.
I invite a friend.
I invite a friend.
I invite a friend to my house.
I invite a friend to my house.
I visit a place.
I visit a place.
I visit a new place in the city.
I visit a new place in the city.
I spend time.
I spend time.
I spend time with my family.
I spend time with my family.
I enjoy the day.
I enjoy the day.
I enjoy the day with my friends.
I enjoy the day with my friends.
I practice English.
I practice English.
I practice English every morning.
I practice English every morning.
I improve slowly.
I improve slowly.
I improve slowly but surely.
I improve slowly but surely.
I understand more.
I understand more.
I understand more with practice.
I understand more with practice.
I speak better.
I speak better.
I speak better than before.
I speak better than before.
I write better.
I write better.
I write better every day.
I write better every day.
I read faster.
I read faster.
I read faster now.
I read faster now.
I listen better.
I listen better.
I listen better in class.
I listen better in class.
I learn quickly.
I learn quickly.
I learn quickly with practice.
I learn quickly with practice.
I want to learn.
I want to learn.
I want to learn more English.
I want to learn more English.
I try every day.
I try every day.
I try every day to improve.
I try every day to improve.
I never stop.
I never stop.
I never stop learning.
I never stop learning.
I keep going.
I keep going.
I keep going even when it is hard.
I keep going even when it is hard.
I open a shop.
I open a shop.
I open a shop in the morning.
I open a shop in the morning.
I close the shop.
I close the shop.
I close the shop at night.
I close the shop at night.
I serve customers.
I serve customers.
I serve customers every day.
I serve customers every day.
I sell food.
I sell food.
I sell food at the market.
I sell food at the market.
I buy goods.
I buy goods.
I buy goods for my shop.
I buy goods for my shop.
I count money.
I count money.
I count money at the end of the day.
I count money at the end of the day.
I save money.
I save money.
I save money every month.
I save money every month.
I spend money.
I spend money. I spend money on food. I spend money on food.
I earn money.
I earn money.
I earn money from my job.
I earn money from my job.
I lose money.
I lose money.
I lose money sometimes.
I lose money sometimes.
I wake up late.
I wake up late.
I wake up late on Sunday.
I wake up late on Sunday.
I stay in bed.
I stay in bed.
I stay in bed in the morning.
I stay in bed in the morning.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I get dressed quickly.
I get dressed quickly.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch at noon.
I eat lunch at noon.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I drink water all day.
I drink water all day.
I take a walk.
I take a walk.
I take a walk in the evening.
I take a walk in the evening.
I go shopping.
I go shopping.
I go shopping on Saturday.
I go shopping on Saturday.
I clean my house.
I clean my house.
I clean my house every weekend.
I clean my house every weekend.
I wash clothes.
I wash clothes.
I wash clothes on Sunday.
I wash clothes on Sunday.
I cook dinner.
I cook dinner.
I cook dinner every night.
I cook dinner every night.
You've just taken your first step from A1 to A2, from short sentences to fluent expression, from simple words to real connection. Your English is growing and your voice is getting stronger, so don't stop here. Subscribe to English Evolution Step 1 for more poetic, practical lessons. Share this video with someone who's ready to grow with you. Comment your favorite sentence below, and let's keep learning together. This is English Evolution Step 1. Your journey has begun. Let's keep moving, step by step.